Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And here we go. That tiny little dude. Alrighty, this is going to be the OBD2 diagnostic interface, car diagnostic scanner. Got the mobile app, Diabit support app, car, QR, iOS, Android, and Windows. Here we go, super lightweight. You just plug it in, and I'll show you where to plug it in a second. Take a brief look at it. Super lightweight. I'm going to grab my other phone and run the app right about now. Alright guys, once you scan the QR code, it's going to bring you up to this website, which is a safe website to use. Download. It's not harmful, it's safe. So give it a second. And then now it's installing it. There we go. Open the app and press agree. We're going to do allow. You want to confirm. So you have to enter your email, all that good stuff. And then this is what it looks like before you set it up. So next I got to go in the car, plug it in, and everything. It'll tell me the coolant temperatures and all that. I just signed it as a visitor, but once you sign it as a guest, it'll keep you, updated with all your stats and stuff like that, and you can just pull it up from your account. But right now, for the video, I'm just going to be the visitor to see how this runs. There we go. So I just got to plug it into the car, turn the key, and then we'll be good. There we go, guys. See where the red dot is? That's where it's being going to test it. Confirm. There we go. We got it located right there. Battery voltage, stuff like that. Real-time data, confirm. There you go. And, when you're driving, you can tell the speed. Confirm. Real-time, we already did that. Please connect your device. Are we connected? Yeah, we're connected. There we go. See, it says successful right there. It's kind of hard to hold everything. Now let me turn the battery on. Oops. There we go. Now that we got the green. See, it has my compass, 2009. I could update it if I wanted to. Well, we gotta choose Dodge compass. So you can add your car and everything else. There we go. This is real time. So we got all that down. So a lot of good information you can learn about your car. All you gotta do is make the purchase and give it a try. So we got 9 degrees. Engine's fine. There we go. Now it's zooming. This is cool. 100%. Control supercharge. Everything's good. No problems. So perfect. And you can do fault indicator. Confirm. So we got it. Definitely check them out, guys. Be safe. Have a good day.